Have you ever found a shiny stone and wondered, is this a real diamond or just a crystal? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of people discover sparkling stones at home, in nature, or from old collections. And most of them make the same mistake. They trust the shine. But here's the truth. Most people don't know. Not everything that shines is a diamond. The good news, you don't need expensive tools, a laboratory, or a professional gemologist to start finding answers. In this article, you'll discover easy at-home methods to check the difference between real diamonds and common crystals. Methods that are simple, safe, and surprisingly effective. And if you want to see these tests in action, watching the video will make everything even clearer. Why diamonds and crystals look so similar? Diamonds and crystals often confuse people because they share a few visual traits. Both can be transparent or shiny, both reflect light, both can appear colorless, but their structure, hardness, and behavior are completely different. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Most crystals, like quartz or glass, are far softer. That difference is the key. Method 1. Super simple. Super simple. This is one of the fastest tests you can do at home. How it works. 1. Hold the stone close to your mouth. 2. Breathe on it like you would on a mirror. What to look for? Real diamond. Fog disappears almost instantly. Crystal or glass, fog stays for a few seconds. Why? Diamonds disperse heat extremely fast while crystals do not. In the video, you'll clearly see the difference side by side. Method 2. The water test. This method surprises many beginners. Steps 1. Fill a glass with water. Drop the stone inside. Results. Real diamond sinks immediately. Most crystals sink slowly or float. Diamonds are much denser than common crystals. Note, this test alone is not enough, but it's a great starting point. Method 3. Light reflection test. Diamonds interact with light in a very unique way. Observe carefully. Diamonds reflect gray and white light, not rainbow colors. Crystals often show rainbow flashes. If your stone looks like a tiny disco ball, chances are it's not a diamond. Watching this test on video helps train your eye much faster. Method 4, the line test, paper test. This test is simple but powerful. How to do it. 1. Draw a straight line on a piece of paper. 2. Place the stone flat side down over the line. Interpretation. If you can see the line clearly through the stone, likely a crystal. If the line disappears or distorts, could be a diamond. Diamonds refract light strongly, making straight lines difficult to see. Method 5, scratch awareness. Important warning. Many people talk about scratch tests, but be careful. Diamonds can scratch glass? Yes, but some crystals can too, and you might damage your stone. This is why visual and physical tests shown in the video are much safer and more reliable. Why watching the video makes a huge difference. Reading is helpful, but seeing is believing. In the video, you'll see real diamonds versus crystals side by side. Watch each test step by step. Learn common mistakes beginners make. Gain confidence before testing your own stones. If you're curious, excited, or even a little hopeful, you owe it to yourself to watch until the end. Final motivation. What if you're holding something valuable? Many real diamonds were once ignored because people thought they were just crystals. What if yours is different? What if the stone you already have is worth far more than you think? You lose nothing by learning, but you could gain knowledge, confidence, and maybe a big surprise. Watch the full video now and test your stone the smart way.